Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. So today we have Mr. Gorang from Alexo. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
So can you please let us know about Alexo and your role in Alexo?
Yes, I am the founder and CEO at Elixo Energy. We are primarily into engineering battery technology for a variety of applications, and also the entire assembling of the batteries happen in-house. So we started out by building the battery management system 2 years back when the industry was facing critical issues like fire safety and performance issues, and then we went on to set up our own assembly unit. Currently, we are building battery packs from as low as 12 volts to 432 volts for ESS and 1200 volts as well. We work on a variety of applications, right from smaller energy storage for agricultural goods to home energy storage, mobility for two-wheeler and three-wheeler, and also for marine application where we have the marine battery packs listed over here. And we are also working with aerospace and defense sector, wherein we are providing drone and passenger drones or high payload drones battery packs. Yes, apart from that, we have recently built our thermal management system, which is a completely liquid immersed battery pack, which will cool the battery pack in case of thermal runaway as well. So it is a preventive layer which prevents the battery pack going into a thermal runaway condition. What happens is that the battery is at all times immersed in the liquid, so that a constant temperature is maintained throughout the battery pack. In case the temperature is rising, the fans within the TMS get activated, and they flow the liquid towards the body, which is an aluminum casing, and it gets cooled with the ambient temperature. If even in that case it's not enough, then we have a radiant cooling assembly over here, wherein the liquid will flow and cool at a much faster rate as compared to the ambient cooling. So this is we expect it to be widely used in L5 systems and also in battery energy storage systems, because cooling of the cell stack would eventually determine their life cycle and performance over the years, which is a very strong requirement for our upcoming BESS tenders.
That's great, sir. What are your plans for the distribution of these products and what are your expectations from the government?
We are currently in process of setting up a distribution channel where we are appointing distributors and dealers pan-India, and most of our higher C&I and grid storage sales happen on a one-to-one basis with the clients. Apart from that, we already have manufacturers who are tied up with us, OEMs of vehicles, two-wheeler and three-wheelers, who are on a regular basis procuring from us.
Okay, sir. How do you see the Indian solar market trends in India?
The Indian solar market is booming, especially with the government mandate, and currently we are energy surplus, so to speak. But it sees a very big challenge with respect to grid stability, and that is where the storage requirement will come into the picture, which is very much evident with the scale of tenders that we are seeing for grid energy storage. What is to be seen is how the indigenous market shapes up and takes a step to provide in-house technologies and reduce the import dependence. Elexo, by support of IIT Palakkad, IPTIF, is building indigenous technology for the same, and currently we are in process of setting up a 3.5 gigawatt hour BESS manufacturing facility as well. So we are very bullish on this sector, and we see it to grow at least 3x in the next 2 to 3 years.
Thank you, sir, and all the best for your upcoming projects.
Thank you.